Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to yet another exciting episode of D Travels. Guess what? I'm back again in Krakow, the second largest city in Poland. It's actually 7 degrees. Today is a little bit better. I'm not suffering much. Maybe it's too early for me to mention, but I'm well dressed. That's all I can say. I am trying to go to the center to find the store Zara because I hear they have a good sale going on. It's time for me to shop. Every time I come to Poland, I usually shop because they have really decent prices. Compared to Dubai, it's almost like a 50% slash, really. So who wouldn't want to go for retail therapy? Look at me, it's just the end of January and I'm here talking about retail therapy. Anyway, I think it's gonna be a beautiful day. Join me as I explore this beautiful city. Ooh la la! See, there are not so many people because it's a little bit cold. Yep. Man, look at these birds. They're all fat. How so? This could be a whole meal in Kenya, don't you think, guys? Oh, good Lord. Yes. I think you all remember I've been here before. Okay. There you go. I can feel it's starting to drizzle a little bit. I really hope it doesn't because I didn't bring me an umbrella, so that will mean that I have to grab a taxi back to the hotel. I really don't want to do that. This is the castle. It kind of looks abandoned or it's not functional now or today. So this is ideally the park. The tram runs through the city. I am back to the main square where everything happens. They still have the Christmas tree up. See how sad the skies are. It's a shame. That'll be nice to have something to eat over there, but that's later. For now, I'm looking for the Zara store. Yeah, I want to grab a dress for my friend. Her birthday is coming up on Valentine's Day. How cool is that? So this is the main square.
Ta celebracja organizowana przez ludzi, którzy nie pofatygowali się swój fałszywy kult, żeby
have all this to fit. However, there's a queue. Be patient. We are trying out all of this. Do you want to join me? Okay, I got myself something. And now I have to go out. Okay, I'm done with the shopping. Oh God, it is so cold. Okay, not so bad. I look tired for sure because I just got here today, but I promise I will be better tomorrow, fresher I'd say. Okay, so I'll just roam around and see where I can find a grocery store. Actually, let me go this side. I've never been here. It's kind of showering now. Not a lot of people are outside because the weather is not very pleasant, and I don't think it's a good idea to roam around while it's raining because it tends to get a little bit colder when you get wet. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go through the market inside and go back to the train station, to the mall actually, because I need to buy me some sneakers. Yeah, this is a beautiful square. See that? Yeah, that is like a time-out market where you find all the souvenirs. This is what symbolizes the square. And of course, I just came from Zara. Yeah, this is ideally the main cathedral in the square. To be honest, I've been here many times and I've never seen the doors open, so I don't know whether it's functional or not. I've only had the what do you call those bells ping every hour, the taco bells, but never seen any activity going on. Before we go, we'll just have a quick look at the souvenirs right about here. Oh, this looks cool. Yeah, hug me for love. We all need some luck at some point. It's really cute. I have decided to go back to the metro or train station actually, where the mall is, real quick, because it's getting dark and the rain won't help much, to be honest. So I'd rather just go where I am comfortable and warm. And I need to grab myself the sneakers, as I mentioned. See, we have some hawkers here as well. Not hawking, but he's trying to promote his restaurant. Guys, do you remember this place? I was here last time. I am not deceiving myself going inside the hot wine area because last time it was colder. Today I don't need it. Yeah, and I need to change some money as well. So let's find. There is an exchange here, but the 469. No, that's not. You see, there's an exchange house there. It's not fair. I'll just do it to the mall anyway. Yep. I am unsure who this is. It seems like a very significant person around here. John Matejo. Okay, there should be a good frame over there. Or I want to explore some place there. You see that little castle, something like that? I want to go and see what's popping there. They have interesting buildings here. But what that caught my attention was this one. It's known as a pod dome globisum, something of the sort. Let's go find out what it is all about. But I think it comes to me as something to do with arts or museum kind of thing. I don't know. Let's find out. Yeah, I was right. Don't go to the museum. It looks more of a library. No, not today. But yeah, seems like it's going all the way. Or it could be a theater actually. But anyway, that's for another day. This part of the city is really quiet and I hope I am navigating the right way. But it seems more like a hotel area. See, there is a big ass hotel there. But I don't think I can get lost. It's a very small city, so yeah, I found my way. When I thought I found my way, I am officially lost. However, I found a market. Oh my god. Diana, what can I do with you? Okay, so this is the market. And I just confirmed I am not lost because I just saw the landmark over there. That's exactly what I'm following. And yeah, it seems like it's a nice joint for everyone to chill here, buy something. There is a wine shop there. It looks cool and cozy. I should visit here when it's nice and summertime. Told you guys, I won't be lost. That's my landmark. That's the castle back there. And we're gonna cross over and go back. I hope you guys are enjoying this walking tour. The city of Krakow is very small, not very small, but there's nothing much to do unless you want to go outcasts of the city. Then you'll find maybe other interesting stuff. Okay. Guys, look what I stumbled upon. I have been looking for this church for my Catholic peeps. This is St. Florian's Church. It is next to the, not next to the square, but around the square. The square is that way, all the way past that castle. But before you reach the square where you find the St. Florian's Church. I wish it was a Sunday, I would have attended the Mass. But it is good. Okay, my people, I am back at the mall, Galleria Mall, as you can see. So if anything, if you want to take a train or a tram into the city, you have to grab it from there. That way it goes to the old town. That way too you can go through the old town. But for now, let's get warm. Woo! I am so happy to be done. Jeez, man. It's cold out here. So, first order of the day, find somewhere I can change money. I remember last time it was next to the Rolex store. So let's go find money for loose. Oh man, I just realized how difficult it is to shop in cold areas, guys. You are from the cold parts of this world, how do you shop? By the time I undress to try out something new, I feel so exhausted that I do not even want to shop for anything to dress except for shoes. And still I didn't find shoes. I went to a Puma shop and they didn't have something, you know, fascinating. So I might try to check some Nikes, although I'm not a fan of Nike. But I think I'm just gonna go and see what they have to offer. I'm looking for white sneakers. I don't know if I'm gonna get anything interesting. Be patient with me, guys. This is me once again at my favorite store. I tried out this new fit, but it is kind of small, so I'm gonna get a mid-size because it's not working. Now it's time for me to buy some food. I'm hungry. Yeah, I need some bread. I'm gonna make some sandwich when I go home. Okay, now I'm done for the day. I will go to platform 3, which should be up here. And let me go from this side. Then go home. Go back to the hotel. Not home. Yeah, so I am so tired. So that's the 3rd platform. I'm going to the airport hotel. How do I look, guys? Am I not looking tired as I should? Man, I managed to do 10,000 steps, so this is a good thing. You know, last time I used this platform, I missed my train. So I really hope that this is the right platform. Okay, let's see. All right. Yeah, I go back to the hotel safe and sound. I'm wrapping up the day. Tomorrow is another day, so bear with me. I'm gonna show you a little bit more of Krakow tomorrow, day 2. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.